Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam and followmytrades.com, here with Trade Theory on Tuesday, August 16th, 2022. It's 11:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right now, and I wanted to come on and discuss Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been rising, as I had mentioned several weeks ago. The price was looking like it was ready to make a move higher, and that 32,049.13 was a possible target point. So what I see in the lower time frames is that price is starting to move higher, but I believe that that move is just to get price back up into this area we discussed. It may continue up into this, like I say, the 32,000 range, but over the longer time frame, I believe that that's just setting up price to continue to drop. So be mindful that, and this is something that could take a while. Or unless price just completely turned around and reversed. Now, I wouldn't be surprised. This is really kind of an interesting point for Bitcoin. So it's really at a point of stasis to where it could move in any direction. It's really not a good time to guess on these types of currencies. So what we're going to do is just observe it and watch it break out of this range that it's in right now. It definitely looks like it actually could rise up to this 800 EMA, getting to the high 20s, and then we'd have to watch price at that point. If price closes lower, it's actually still trending up on this lower time frame on the daily, but if it closes low on the daily, then I would expect price to go ahead and drop. So what's the price point that I would maybe see in the near term? If price closed below 23,143.90 on the daily chart, I would be looking to possibly see a sell or price dropping on Bitcoin. But right now it's actually at a point to where I wouldn't make a decision either way. So if you're holding Bitcoin, if I was holding Bitcoin, I'd maybe continue to hold it. But then if I saw something change with the price closing on the daily where I mentioned, then I may lower my exposure to Bitcoin as well. So Bitcoin is at kind of a median place, but I wanted to just get on before it made a move, because I could see price going higher here over the coming days and moving up. But then be mindful that price still has room to drop significantly, and I have not given up on my I think it was the 11,000-ish range for Bitcoin to get to the upper to mid 11,000 range. So be mindful of that as well, because there's definitely a place here on the weekly chart the price could actually go ahead and drop and not continue higher up into the 32,000 level. So what I would do is just watch it over the next week or so, next day or so, even being that it's the middle of the week. See what happens as far as it going higher or lower, and then reassessing. So that's what we'll do. Come back on that. So I guess when it's all said and done, look for a possible brief rise in Bitcoin, but definitely looking forward to continue to drop in value over the coming months. So don't get too caught up in this being the final move for Bitcoin. To learn more about how to build cash flow for yourself so that you can get out of the business owner rat race, find us at fmtrades.com. If you need assistance building cash flow, click the DFY option at fmtrades.com and we'll help you build that cash flow. Until next time, enjoy the day and happy trading.